Hi, welcome to Gary's Hobby Studio. In this video, I'm going to cover some thoughts and ideas on my room, plus uh, talk about a few other things too towards the end. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I'm going to show you where we're at with this after my wife. Well, I'll explain more once we get in there. Okay, so I've scraped some more stuff off of the walls. I did find out that right there, water leaks in. I busted off a lot of the old coating of whatever the piss that is. Doubt if that's going to be enough because you can see right there that dark stuff. That's the coating that was on there. I don't know what all that is because God only knows what these people have done because of everything. This goes back to the what the fuck is this? So, anyways, scraped a lot of that off. That's what that pile of crap is there. And some more over here. And I think I'm just going to have my wife just sweep everything up um, and then mop it one more time and then start putting it down. I know what my friend Jason said that if you don't get up all these loose pieces and stuff like that, you know, it's just going to come off and everything. And I get that. But again, once I get this coated, I just want to start building this because I'm itching to get it done because I really want to get it done. Tired of looking at it, and like I said, it's been a while, and I'm just getting to the point where I can see the light at the end of the tunnel. Just and nothing against my wife, I understand. You know, she doesn't want to see it. My theory is, as long as I fix it and fix it right, we won't see this again. But I also installed very low cans so that I have light. I have one more over here. And there's going to be a fourth one here, but right now the power cord is in its way. So pretty much I'm going to have to wait till I do the electricity. Um, like I said, once I get this coated tomorrow, which is Thursday, I'm off Friday. I will either start building the floor Friday or Saturday. Not exactly sure because I know that Reaper has some kind of online convention, but I haven't seen how many classes. And it's like, if it's just going over games to buy and stuff, no, I'm looking for painting techniques and some other stuff to actually improve my painting skills, but that's a whole other subject. Added a junction box right there so that I can tie those two together. I drilled a hole right, let me zoom in, right there, so that what I'm going to do is, there's a lot of wire that I'm gonna like rerun, and hopefully it'll be long enough. But I want to rerun. Sorry for the spinning because I'm just trying to get the right angle. The wire comes there, and then goes to there. I was thinking more taking it, seeing if I could run it to there, tack it along, and either wire it into that, then jumper it off to there. So then I can wire that and run it through. There's enough wire from the switch because there's the hole and there's the switch, and I'm assuming, considering it goes to the light, set up right there. Take that, cut off some excess, and tie it up to there so that way I can still turn the lights on and off and remove that damn thing. Because I'm going to build this part first because I can cut the wood and bring it in through the door. Everything else has to be brought in through there. Yeah, because I have a lot of wood, and I'll show you. Which I don't know if I showed in the video, but there it is. That's 16 foot. And the metal is for something else. Like I said, I don't know if I did this in another video, but basically that's where it is. And that's the can of stuff that I want to open up and coat the floor with. And then it's just basically get the floor coated, start building the room and everything. I don't know what else to put. I know I've got some hardware that I want to review. I mean, I can do review on a couple of things, but I want to show you the differences and stuff. And like I said, until I get my desks and everything, there's back up, and I'm down here again where I can actually work and set things up. Plus, I want to get because I'm going to put up the same white type of paneling that was there. And that'll be nice once that's done for everything. Because it's just, like I said, I just want to get this done. I'm going to have to pull all this lower molding off so I still got to get a piece so that I can use it to kind of level and space it so that I can put the plywood underneath. I still don't know if I'm going to put 2 boards there and 2 there so it'll stick out enough. That way I can just like slide underneath and then screw it in. That's probably what I'll do. I know I got 14 of those, and like I said, it depends on how much wood I have left, because I have to do 2 practically. Well, not necessarily I have to do 2 everywhere. Well, see, this is the confusing part, because the fact is that because I have to screw the edges down, and I'm not sure if I want to do double everywhere. I know Jason was telling me to do this first along with this. That way that'll shorten up the length for the long ways this way on both the 2 long walls. So again, not exactly sure which way I'm going to do it. Still have to decide. Okay, and as you can see, like I said, this is probably going to be the last sweep and mop, because I definitely want to get that floor sealant down. And yeah, like I also said in the video, I really just want to get this done so I can get everything back, because trust me, it's just been a royal nightmare. In case you didn't notice by my garage, because it's been like that now for a little while. I do want to say one of the things I did pick up recently, because I did have a little bit of Christmas money that I've had for a little while. I did pick up an Elgato Stream Deck. Just got to get used to figuring out how to program it, operate it, and everything else, because, it's definitely me. Because I'll show you right here. I've set up a few scenes to where I can hit this. And that's for like product reviews, for like when I have an overhead cam and stuff like that. That way you can see me and it at the same time. Yeah, that I should have this here, but that's for like looking at my desktop. And that's for whenever I'm done talking. And this way I'm not like fiddling with a mouse. I can just hit the buttons a lot easier, which is great, which I'm glad I bought it. I want to get the bigger one also. That way the bigger one will stay at my house. And like I said, when we go to conventions and stuff like that, me and the wife, or if we're going somewhere and I just want to share some things, I'll have, depending if I'm going to stream. Like, I don't know what all I'm going to do. Like, I know possibly maybe Origins this year. Just depends. It just depends, because like I said, it just with the whole pandemic and everything, I don't know. It's not that I'm afraid. I mean, hell, I'd go to it without wearing a mask if I was allowed to, because I'm not afraid of it. If I get sick, I get sick. And I'm 50 years old. I really, as far as I know, don't have any health conditions that would kill me or anything. It's all common sense type stuff in my opinion, but that's a whole other thing that I really don't want to get into too much here. But I also have some product reviews. I have this web camera to really try out. I don't know if I tried it out downstairs much. Maybe I did, maybe I didn't. I also have, similar to the Elgato Cam Link, it was cheap, $22. It was on sale at Newegg. I picked that up. I tried to do it, but for some reason the audio was like completely out of sync with the video, or I would have included it with the last one. So there's that. There's two lavalier microphones I want to test out. I have to find a way to do it because one needs power because it doesn't have a can, and the other one has the can with a little battery in it and everything. So those I can definitely test. I can't, I don't want to really try to do too many product reviews right now unless if I'm going to take like a break and just like take a few days to film it as opposed to filming the room, which I don't know what you guys want to see. You let me know in the comments. But that's pretty much it with the status of the room and everything. Plus, I also got a nice boom arm microphone. Don't know if I mentioned that in another video because, my brain. I have so many things on my mind. Plus, not only that, I forget things real easy. It's been like that for a while. But if you like everything I've done, please like and subscribe if you're not already. Post a comment. Give it a thumbs up. And I'll try to remember to leave links to my Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook in the description down below. And as I always like to say, have a good day, guys, and take care.